Here is how to use Slider on Wix. Great for showing off photos, products, or promotions. First, log into your Wix account and open your website in the editor. On the left side, click Add Elements. From here, scroll down into Interactive or Slideshow. In here, you can pick a slider style like Classic Slideshow, Strip Slider, or Full Width Carousel, and drag it onto your page. To edit it, click on the slideshow and select Manage Slides. Here you can add, duplicate, or delete slides. Click each slide to add text, images, buttons, or videos, just like any other Wix section. In the Settings panel, you can adjust slide transition effects, autoplay time, navigation buttons, and indicators. You can also go to Design to customize fonts, colors, and layout to match your website's branding. When everything's ready, click Preview to test it. If it looks good, hit Publish and your slider is live. That's how to create and customize a slider on Wix. Simple, dynamic, and totally customizable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.